Want to get NFL Network? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. Now, you've got several ways in depending on your setup. If you use YouTube TV, simply head over to membership section. NFL Network is already included in the base plan, so you can watch it live without paying extra. On other streaming services like Sling TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, and Fubo, NFL Network is also part of their standard or sports focus plan, so check your current package to see if you've already covered. If you prefer a more traditional setup, most major cable and satellite provider like Xfinity, Spectrum, Dish offer NFL Network in their mid to high tier bundles. Just call or log into your account to add it if it's missing. For mobile fans, you can download the NFL app on your phone or tablet and sign in with your TV provider credentials to stream NFL Network on the go. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.